See this image right here? If you want your Blooket account to look exactly like this, using only your school Chromebook or any laptop, keep watching. So firstly, as you can see, I'm on the Blooket website right here, and you can see on this Google Doc is all the cheats in this video. I'm going to show you how to use every single one, and there's multiple methods. So if one doesn't work for you, just use another one. But the first way, just either copy everything or press copy raw file, and then you want to go back to Blooket, press inspect, go to console, and then you need to press allow pasting to first even paste anything. And if you press allow pasting and you need to type it properly, as you can see I typed it wrong, allow pasting and then press enter. Now you can press anything you want and then just copy the whole thing and press paste. The next way is if you go to this GitHub thing and then you press copy raw file again, then you can go back to Blooket, then you can go to bookmarks, and then from bookmarks you can turn it on and then press add page. Just call it whatever you want. You don't have to call it what I called it, whatever you want really. And then when you go to the URL is where you paste what you just copied. And then you just want to press save. And then when you press save, you can just press on this whatever thing right here. You can call it hacks or whatever. And as you can see, the cheats thing comes up right here. And there's loads and loads and loads of cheats on this one. But that's not the only one. For the next one, if you have Tamper Monkey, or if you don't, you can just download it. Then you want to open it, and then you want to log in and do everything like that. And then when you do that, you can make a new script basically. And here is the script on the school game mod thing, and there's loads and loads of versions. So just look at what version you're on and just copy the raw file, then just paste in the script and then press save. And then as you can see, it did not work for this one, but this one it did work. As you can see, Blooket hacks, and you just turned it on, and then when you go back to Blooket, it'll be on. So as you can see, you have loads and loads of different versions, and if one doesn't work for you, just use another one, because realistically it doesn't really matter. But as you can see, when I'm on stats on something, you can check everything. And yeah, basically if it doesn't work for you, all you're going to want to have to do is go to this part right here, is when you can just go to the different versions and just install a new version. And as you can see, I have 3 different versions right here, and they're all turned on, but make sure you only have one turned on. But as you can see at the top, it says please enable developer mode, and as you can see, I have it on already, but some of you do not have it on. And as you can see all of these things. Make sure you allow user scripts and loads more, and you can see all the settings right here to make sure it works. And then all you need to do is just restart your laptop or restart anything and just press allow script, and as you can see, it tells you to do it right here. And as you can see, that's how you get hacks on Blooket.